Hey everyone, Mark Hart here from Reedy & Company in Memphis Investment Properties, and we're really excited because we want to let everyone know that we are completely sold out of our phase one for our Carlisle new construction developments. This is a build to rent community, which we are the personal developers on the property, meaning that we actually own the dirt ourselves. We were the ones that developed it, put in the sewers, put in the roads, put in the sidewalks, and then we were the ones that actually got the loans, built the houses, and renting them out to awesome tenants here. So we are completely sold out of phase one, but fortunately there is a phase two. So there are 18 lots here in total. We've already completed half of them, so 8 of them. All 8 of them, by the time we release this video, all of them have rented. All of them have appraised at or above sales price, so giving our investors a little bit of equity immediately, giving them cash flow from day one, and something that just means that we hit our numbers and something that we're really, really proud of. So we really focus on being able to produce multiple of these build to rent properties for our investors here in Memphis, Tennessee, and phase two is going to be available. And if you are interested, please fill out the link below. Let us know personally, because we are going to have a private pre-sale for investors that are interested, that missed out on phase one, but want to get into the action for phase two. So we have 8 houses that will be available around October, November. And those properties there, sales prices are going to be north of $350,000. Rents are going to be north of $240,000. And if you are interested, please let us know. We're going to send out this information as soon as it all is available to the select group. We already have one person that has already put their name on one of the properties. So essentially there's 7 more that are actually available. Something we really love about this development compared to a lot of other build to rent communities is the level of the quality of finishes that we actually put on the houses. A lot of times when you build a house as a rental, folks will put in builder grade materials, that lower quality grade materials that work great for tenants, but if you wanted to sell it to a homeowner, might not be that attractive. And this development here is in Cordova, an A-class area. My business partner lives right down the street. A lot of our team members here at MIP and Reedy Company live in this neighborhood personally. One of the higher ups at the police department is actually one of the renters here. So keeping this community safe. So awesome area. So we are putting in high level homeowner retail grade finishes on all these properties, which means that if you ever want to sell these properties down the road, which I wouldn't, these are the things that you want to hold on to and pass it down generationally. But when you do want to exit, it's always smart to think of that exit strategy there. You could just throw it on the MLS. We could represent you as your realtors and sell it to a homeowner, because we have actually gone in and all around on the exterior of the houses, there is 0 exterior wood on the properties. So everything is going to be brick. Everything is going to have that metal there. So you do not have to worry about rotted wood. You don't have to worry about termites there. They're all on slab foundations. And the fences that we're putting up, you can see they're gonna have nice little caps on them, little ridge caps all the way around. Number one, they even have fences, right? That's a big deal. It's expensive. Then number 2, on the insides of these houses there, you're really gonna see the finishes on the stairs. It's all hard surface. We didn't put carpet there on those stairs. You're gonna see the actual cabinets that we use for these properties. They have the slow drawers that, if you wanna slam the drawers, it'll catch it and make sure it closes slowly. Costs a little bit more, but it lasts longer and is much nicer. Put in fireplaces here. We also have each individual room is wired so you can mount a TV, connect it to the internet, and a power cord, so you don't have to have cords that are running down from the sides. We even put higher quality fans in the living room. They look industrial grade. They look awesome. And the biggest one as well from a price perspective is that we are providing the stainless steel appliances, including a fridge. These are something that a lot of times you buy a new construction house and you have to provide that yourself. Well, we are going to throw that in for free as a part of the actual sale And that is all just baked into the numbers, so you can wrap that into your loan or just the actual purchase of the property to make things easy. So all these things, this is why our tenants love the houses, and this is why we were able to rent all of these properties before our investors actually closed on them, which is incredible. It's exactly what you want to see. I mean, as of right now, the last 2 months that we have had at Reedy and Company have been some of the best leasing months we have ever had in the history of the company. We're running at a 1.5% vacancy rate right now. Our leasing team is rocking. They're begging for houses. They're on fire. So can't wait for phase 2. If you made it this far in the video, please reach out to us. If you have any interest, let us know. The houses will be very similar to the larger houses that we built here for phase 1. And so we are starting right now. I've already started on 2 of the lots. We've got them all picked out, working on getting the bank loans and getting them started, and should be done here around October, November. That's when we can get them rented. That's when you could actually close. So if you have any interest at all, want to do a soft reserve and be a part of this, pre-sale release that we're going to have, just let us know. We'll have a link here so we can add you to that list, and would love to grow that relationship and help you grow your portfolio here. So if you need anything at all, just let us know, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Cheers.